Hey, it's Wisconsin Wine Guy. I'm back with another wine and food pairing. As you can see here, I have La Crema. And what I have on my plate here, I did a review for these, so you have to wait and watch the video. I'll make sure I put a link to that video here. So I have on my plate, I thought I'd do something different. You know me, I like to go outside the box, you know. So I have the Chardonnay, that's going to be 2022 Chardonnay, and the 2021 Pinot Noir, both from Monterey, from the Monterey vineyard from La Crema. So I have, winding down my season of meat sauce that I had in my freezer I made for the fall and winter. So I have a ground turkey and pork and beef meat sauce here with bucatini pasta. You can see that right there. No cheese, a little bit of heat to it. So I'm going to try these two wines with my Bolognese, okay, or meat sauce, as you like to call it. But it's not traditional meats that you'll find in Bolognese. I did have some milk to it, to finish it off, make it kind of rich, when it was originally made. Fresh tomatoes from the garden, and the meats, some onions, some carrots. I did a base of onions, carrots, some green peppers, celery. Nice little base, to give some little flavor. Then started adding all the ingredients on top. Just built it in long, slow cooking, like hours. I cooked this. So we have our Pinot Noir, we have our Chardonnay. You don't even think about this. You don't even think about having a Chardonnay or a Pinot Noir, with a ragu or meat sauce. Most people go for something fuller, or a Chianti, or a wine, red wine from Sicily. But I myself, like when it comes to red sauces, I like to have a white wine, a crisp, nice acidity, nice bright fruit, nice textured white wine. In this case, Chardonnay. It's not going to be the oaky, buttery kind, but just a crisp and rich, and with those subtle hints, aged in French oak. And then a Pinot Noir, coming from Monterey. Again, it's going to be light, but definitely has some depth of flavor. 13.5% alcohol there versus 14.5% alcohol on the Pinot Noir. So let's get at it. Let's first get a taste. Wow, great flavor. A refresher of the taste of the wine first. If this goes together, I score. If it doesn't, that's okay. Because the whole point of this is to show you and help you not be afraid to try different foods with your wines. Break out tradition. I should have brought me a knife so I can break this up. So here we go. The flavor in that sauce, which it has red wine reduction there as well. So first we're going to do the Chardonnay because I'm curious. I'll tell you what I think when I try them both. Then I'm going to do the Pinot Noir. Just the flavors is just incredible. I am blown away. Literally blown away. Now I'll tell you why. So, again, both of these have nice acidity. It's making a great food partner. Bright tasting. But there's also that depth of flavor. Now, the Chardonnay was fermented in part French and American oak, then stirred on the lees for about 5-6 months. So you have a little bit more character, a little more depth of flavor and structure to it. Pinot Noir aged 100% all French oak for about 8 months. Okay, so the background is there. So in trying it with the food, the Chardonnay, that acidity kicks in, You pick up a little bit of that French oak spice. Then that rich, it's a rich dish. So the richness of that Chardonnay comes through and brings it all together, which is really nice on my palate. I'm digging this. Totally surprised with this. But also, again, I like white wines with a red sauce, and there's tomato sauce in here, but we also had a component of red wine, which I thought there may be a conflict. But the Chardonnay held its own for sure. Now, when it comes to the Pinot Noir, the Pinot Noir was almost a given for me because red wine in the sauce, a deep flavored sauce, has some depth in the Pinot Noir, and then the acidity again comes through and helps lift the flavors. Now what the Pinot Noir does for me is put me in mind just as if I'm drinking a Sangiovese. Okay? Both wines, in my opinion, perform exceptionally well with my pasta Bolognese. There you have it. It's your Wisconsin wine guy saying to you, step outside your box when pairing wine with food. You may be amazed at what you discover. So I'll see you next time. Ciao!